Hey guys, I've decided to have dinner in Handi, Cox'S Bazar, because I ate in Handi in Dhaka city, but not in Cox'S Bazar though. So this will be the first time eating in Handi Cox'S Bazar restaurant. But I don't know if they have seafood or not. So let's go and see. We reached Handi restaurant. Guys, the Handi restaurant is just beside the market that I just showed you guys before. So we are getting in now. বসবো কত? হ্যাঁ? Anyway, you guys got ourselves a table. Now I'm gonna order food and see you guys in a bit. Hey guys, I've ordered Bangladeshi food, white boiled rice with dal, mixed vegetable, and then Bangladesh famous Jhinuk Chata deep fried Jhinuk Chata fish, and then coral do pyaja and 2 lime juice. That's what I ordered for dinner for 2 persons. So let's see, wait for the food now and see what, how it looks like. Hey guys, I've ordered this Chinese pomfret fish deep fried. So in Bengali its name is Jhinuk Chata fish, but in English in Google it says Chinese pomfret, Chinese pomfret. So yeah, hopefully it's gonna be tasty. It's probably a sea fish. So now waiting for my fish and food and vegetable and all those things. Hey guys, food is here and it looks so yummy. This is the Chinese pomfret or Jhinuk Chata fish. And this is the do pyaja, mixed vegetable, rice and dal. And fresh lime juice. So yeah, it looks super yummy. So let's try it and see.
Love is love. Love is love. Adios. Love is love.
guys, you guys have already seen that everything is gone. We scooped out the last bit of all the curries and do piyazas and mixed vegetables and dal, and it was so good, so yummy, and I was like super starving as well. So yeah, so dinner is done, food done. Now let's go and explore for a bit and then see what happens. Hey guys, the bill is here. It's not much. It's super cheap and super yummy food, but according to the taste and atmosphere and everything, the food is super good. Super awesome atmosphere and everything, but according to that, the prices are really cheaper and affordable. So yeah, let's pay the bill and let's see what happens. Everything is done. Paid the bill and now. खूब मजा. Tasty food. Thank you sir. So guys, let's go to Kolatoli or near my hotel, Ocean Paradise, and after reaching there, I'll see what else can I do today.